if you have pity in your heart too. So you donate only 1 rupee for corona patient. You pay 1 rupee on the number given below. Your donation can save someone's life. Be kind. What do you need to know tomorrow? With this YouTube channel, you support us in this campaign to help corona patient.
How to make paper airplane. To make it, we need paper and glue. By making this paper airplane, you can show it to your friends. Or you can present it as a project in school. Paper airplane, you can take the help of parents to make it. If you want to see more ideas for making paper airplane, so subscribe to our channel and press bell and send notifications all.